Hello, everybody. Inch again. Yay, stuff. Anyways, this is for those who probably got like a new monitor or monitors, and you can't figure out why you're not getting, whatever refresh rate your monitor is supporting, whatever that may be, 120 or 144, 165, 240, and so on. Easiest way to do it is really just having to right click on your desktop, display settings, get this, and then just, gives you an idea what monitor you're trying to choose. If you're not sure what monitor that you're trying to configure or want to configure, if you hit identify, you should have the corresponding number to whatever monitor that you need. So in this case, if I want to change one, just go down to where it says advanced display settings, then display adapter properties for display whatever you want. In this case, go into adjust display one, so you can change it up here if you had to. For some reason it changes. So, but you would just choose whatever display you want, go back to or click on that. Then right here, get this little window up, hit monitor, and then right here, use screen refresh rate. Whatever yours supports, go right ahead and choose that. Up to you if you want to go to the max. That's what you're paying for. I really only need 144 hertz, at least for me, so it doesn't really matter. Then you would just hit OK, and that's really it. Once you hit OK, it should. You might actually see your display flicker, or it could get brighter as well. So it depends. So that can happen, but hopefully that was simple enough, and it works out for you. You guys enjoy. See ya.